Picture this: you're sipping your morning coffee on a beautiful covered deck, breathing in the crisp Maine air, and gazing out at 4 acres of rolling pastures and lush gardens. A gentle breeze rustles through the trees as you start your day in absolute tranquility. Now, imagine stepping inside to the warm embrace of a classic log home, where every room invites you to relax, unwind, and make unforgettable memories. Let's explore this home that was $370,000 by the time of recording this video. Welcome to Carmel, Maine. This charming, one-owner log home is a true rustic retreat with modern conveniences. Let me take you on a tour of this cozy, character-filled home that's ready to be yours. Before we step inside, let's talk about this breathtaking property. 4 acres of pasture and gardens surround the home, giving you endless opportunities to enjoy the great outdoors. Enjoy your morning coffee while watching the sunrise from the covered front porch. Plant your dream garden and watch it bloom with vibrant colors. Have space for animals or create your own hobby farm. Host magical bonfire nights under a blanket of stars. The possibilities are endless. And with this much land, you can truly make it your own private paradise. Stepping through the front door, you're greeted by the warm, inviting glow of the wood stove in the spacious living room. The rich log walls and natural wood beams make you feel instantly at home. Picture yourself curled up with a good book on a chilly Maine evening. Imagine decorating this space for the holidays, with a Christmas tree glowing in the corner. Host game nights with friends, laughing and making memories. The ambience in this space is unmatched, making it the heart of the home. Step into the well-designed kitchen, where modern updates meet rustic charm. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love to entertain, this space is perfect for creating delicious meals. Whip up a Sunday morning brunch with fresh pancakes and coffee. Pour a glass of wine and cook a homemade dinner after a long day. Enjoy baking with family. There's plenty of counter space to roll out cookie dough. The kitchen is truly the love of the home, and this one is designed for both function and warmth. Down the hall, we have 3 inviting bedrooms, each offering a quiet retreat at the end of the day. Primary bedroom, spacious and serene, this is your perfect escape. Imagine sinking into a cozy bed after a long day, the soft glow of a bedside lamp lighting up your favorite book. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3, ideal for guests, kids, or even a home office. Turn one into a creative studio, a place to paint, write, or work on your passion projects. Use one as a peaceful guest room so friends and family always have a warm place to stay. These rooms are full of charm and possibilities, waiting for you to make them your own. This home offers a full bathroom and an additional half bath, ensuring that you always have space and convenience. Take a long, relaxing bath after a day of exploring Maine's beautiful outdoors. Get ready for your day in a bright, comfortable space that feels like home. Downstairs, the full, unfinished walkout basement is waiting for your vision. Whether you need extra storage, a workshop, or want to finish it for additional living space, this is a huge bonus. Turn it into a home gym and stay active all year long. Create a cozy home theater and enjoy movie nights with family. Use it as a workshop for woodworking, crafts, or hobbies. The potential here is endless, and it's ready for whatever you dream up. While this home offers peace and seclusion, you're still just 4 minutes from I-95 and a short 25-minute drive from Bangor. Enjoy quiet country living without being too far from conveniences, quick access to stores, restaurants, and entertainment in Bangor, the best of both worlds, privacy and accessibility. At $370,000, this one-owner, beautifully maintained log home is ready for its next chapter, and that could be you. 4 gorgeous acres, a cozy fireplace, a warm, welcoming kitchen, 3 charming bedrooms, tons of potential in the basement. If you've ever dreamed of a rustic escape with modern comforts, this home is your perfect match.